In this video, we are going to answer a very important question. What is Java? Java is a powerful, versatile and widely used programming language. It was first developed by Sun Microsystem back in the mid 1990s and is now owned and maintained by Oracle Corporation. So what exactly makes Java so special? Well, Java is what we call a high-level object-oriented programming language. That means it's designed to be easy for humans to read and write while still being powerful enough to build complex applications. Here are some of the key features that make Java so popular. Simple and easy to learn. The syntax is clean and straightforward, especially compared to the languages like C or C++. Object oriented Java organizes code into classes and objects, which makes programs easier to manage, reuse, and expand. Platform independent. One of the biggest advantages of Java is that your programs can run on any device or operating system that has the Java virtual machine. You might hear the phrase write once, run anywhere. That's what it means. Secure. Java has built in security features that help protect your programs from malicious attacks. Robust. Java emphasizes early error checking, strong memory management, and exception handling, which makes it greater for building reliable applications. Multi-threaded, this means Java makes it easier to perform many tasks at the same time, like downloading files while responding to user clicks. Rich API, Java offers a huge library for built-in tools and classes to help you build applications more easily. So where is Java actually used? The answer is almost everywhere. It's used for web applications, mobile applications, especially for Android, desktop software, enterprise applications in large businesses, game development, cloud applications, even big data and scientific computing. That's why Java remains one of the most in demand programming languages in the world. But how does Java work under the hood? When you write your Java code, you save it in the text files with .java extension. When you compile your code, the Java compiler turns it into bytecode. This bytecode isn't tied to any specific machine, it runs inside the Java Virtual Machine or JVM. That's how Java achieves platform independence. Your code can run on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or other systems without any changes. A quick snapshot of Java's history. Java was first released in 1995. It was originally created for interactive TV but quickly became popular for web applications. Over the years, Java has continued to evolve, adding many new features in the versions from the early days to modern releases like Java 17 and beyond. So, why would you learn Java? Well, it's one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. It opens up job opportunities in many industries. It teaches solid programming fundamentals that carry over into the other languages, and it has a huge community full of resources and support. So, in short, Java is a versatile, powerful, and highly respected language that continues to shape the world of software development. And that's exactly what we are going to explore together in this course. Thanks for watching this, and I will see you in the next video.